Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we want to discuss about the LinkedIn. So I have made two videos on LinkedIn, how to build connections and what's the linking, what's the purpose of LinkedIn. So in today's video, we're going to see in detail how to build a profile using LinkedIn. So how to contact, how to connect with people, so what kind of message you need to send to connection people. So I want to see everything like how to get people from your domain, how to get connected in LinkedIn, guys. Let's get started. So as I said before, do join the Discord channel, link in description, guys. Don't forget to join the Discord channel. We have much more events coming on the way. So don't miss the opportunity, guys. Do join the Discord channel. I'm hoping to see you over there. Link in description. Do join, guys. Let's get started. Yes guys, now let's just see step by step how to log in LinkedIn, how to use a mail account to log in LinkedIn. So how to build a profile in LinkedIn. Let's see in step by step, guys. Let's get started. So the first thing is just log in your account. So I already have an account, so there is an account, so I'm just using that account. So as soon as logging, you'll be having a profile tab here. Just go to here. So there's a profile tab. Just click on it and then go to view profile. So this is how the profile looks, guys. So right now I have like 3,000 connections. So this is how it looks. So as soon as entering connection, you need to build your profile, guys. The first thing is experience. So experience is nothing but like an internship which have been done this time period. So if you have any work experience, you can mention over there. If you have any project work experience at team lead, so all the experience in your life you can mention here. So let me show you how to add experience here. Just click on the place tab in here. So after clicking that, just type the details of title, like the designation of your the work which have been done in past days. So after the employment, also whether full time or part time, just mention the everything details in here. So after that mentioning, you just need to name as company. So which company you have been working till now, just mention the company name here. So after that, just mention the location, like where is the location and is work from home. Just mention all the details here and then start the and then. So it depends on the person, like just do the mentions all that. So as soon as complete, just click on the save button. So after saving, your profile details will be adding here. Let me show one of my thing. So this is what I applied. So this is what the artificial intelligence research. Right now I'm doing this internship. So it's a company called Institute of Artificial Intelligence. So this is an internship. So I started February 21. So still I'm continuing. So it's in present. So this is how you need to build your profile, guys. After that, you need to give education qualification. So right now I'm doing engineering as everyone knows. So I just mentioned my college name and what's the year, passed out year and graduation year. Just place same process. They click on the place button and then add your school, like college name and what's the degree you're pursuing, and then the start date, end date, same as the before process. So after that, you have a license certificates is nothing but the courses which have been done till now. Like let me say in my example, I have done these courses in deep learning, like AI medical, and then deep learning facilitation and machine learning course is a workshop. So you can mention all these things over there. And even one beautiful option LinkedIn providing is that when the certificate which you're getting from courses completion, if they have they have a code for this certificate, you can mention this here, the credibility, you can mention the code here, so that the employees, if you're applying for internship, they can easily see these certificates here. So you don't have to spend in physical copies, or then you don't have to attach and mail to them. They can easily see here. Let me show you example. See, click on the Steve creditor. So as soon as we click the details of this certificate comes here. So yeah, this how the certificate looks, guys. So I completed this course October 2, 2000 last year I completed. So this is how it looks, guys. So what's the benefit of this slide? When I'm applying for internships, the employees don't need to ask for certificates. They can just go to your LinkedIn and they can see these certificates. It's a time management for them and you guys. And then there's a skill endorsement. Is nothing but you need to mention all the skills here. So if a person has if a friend is a person is he know about you, you are good at skill, he can give plus points to them. So when I give plus points, you will get the points here. Right now I got only 1 point here. So depends on the person, guys, who can do. And then accomplishment is nothing but the projects and paper publication. And then if you wrote any entrance exam, you can mention all these details, right? So same process, click on the place button. So after clicking place button, they will this option of publication, patent, course, project, honor and test score. Just click on the which domain you work till now. Just add the content, guys. So after adding content, just don't mention the heading, guys. Just mention few lines about the project which I've been working. So in my case, I did these 3 projects. So I mentioned the project's explanation detail, guys. Why? Because I'm saying to mention detail, as I said before, if you're working if you're applying for internships, the company don't need to ask for anything. They can just go to your LinkedIn profile, they can apply. If eligible, they can select you, guys. These are the profile builds. So after building profile, so I've been saying connection is very important from last few videos. So let me share how to get connections, guys. Let me say if you're looking for a people from your domain, let me say I'm like working in deep learning, just search for deep learning. So after searching that, they treat as deep learning in jobs and deep learning people and groups. So jobs is nothing but internships. So in this domain they have a few internships. So people is nothing but this is what you want to give connections, guys. And then groups is nothing but they have few groups on this domain. This already works. Right? These are three types in each domain. So let me show in deep learning domain. So this already like when I search for all the contacts appear here. So these contacts are everyone are working on the deep learning domain. So if you want to connect with some person, just type the domain in search tab. So after typing, just connect with people in the list below, guys. This already works. Pause. Yes, guys, that's how the like connections works. So let me share one example. Recently I started with. So like one thing before I want to give one tip to guys. Whenever giving connection to one, just add a few sentences like, don't ever just send blindly connection. Just add few like in my case, look at this sentence. So I decision currently I'm pursuing my undergraduate in computer science domain. So I'm a interest. I would like to connect with you. Just add few sentences about you so that the connector will know about you. They can accept your connection easily. So instead of that, they won't be thinking like it's unknown person. Why I should accept the connection. Don't ever go in that way, guys. Just type few sentences. There's a simple sentence. You can use simple sentence. Ask me. Just mention hi or how are you. So after that, just you mention your name. So what are you currently doing? So what you're interested, why you want to connect with them. Just explain all those things so that the connectors will accept your request, guys. This is how the LinkedIn works. So I hope this video helps you guys. So this is how you need to build connections. The connectors will accept your request, guys. This is how the LinkedIn works. So I hope this video helps you guys. So this is how you need to build profile using LinkedIn. So as soon as you profile, just type your domain name in search tab. So after typing the domain name in search tab, just connect to people. Before connecting, keep in mind just have few sentences in your message. Just intro yourself, and then which domain you're working currently. Just mention over there, and then why you want to connect with him. So just mention all the details over there. That's nice. I hope this video helps you. If you want me to clear some more doubts in LinkedIn, do comment in comment box. I'll try to make the video happen, guys. That's it for today's video. And as I keep on saying, guys, do join Discord channel. So there's much more events are coming. We are just waiting for audience. As soon as we get some amount of audience, we're going to start. We are going to launch our product, guys. So don't forget to join. Link in description. Click on the do join Discord channel, guys. Thanks a lot. Happy weekend.